These AI tools will help you edit your videos fast. I'll drop the link in the description box. Alright, so let's get straight into it. So first is the CapCut app. This is the CapCut app, and I'll drop the link in the description box. If you use my affiliate link, you'll get $10 off. This is me right there because I work with this company. So I have a tutorial on how to download and install it. I'll drop that link too. Then when you install, you're gonna have this on your desktop. If you want, you can pin it down to your taskbar like I have done. Just like it's written here, drop a file to edit. So that will be my raw footage. So I'll go into my file, and this is it. So I'll drag it and I'll drop it in here and see how fast it is. So all the red bars you see are stuff that I need to delete. Alright, so the original length of the video is 8 minutes, 18 minutes and 5 seconds, and now the length is 9 minutes and 47 seconds. Silent. Oh, that's why it says without silence, and it cuts 364 gaps out of this video. So the next thing to do is to go to export, and by the way, if you are using the free version, you will have only 5 exports, I believe, for the month. But if you click on the link and you subscribe, I'll show you before we move on. Or you know what, let me just, before I show you the price, let me export it first. So first, make sure it's on MP4. You don't want any of this. That if you want wave, then you can choose audio wave, but I don't want wave, I want video. Then original resolution of this clip is 1920 by 1080 original. All right, then click export, save. All right, so it's exporting and it's moving fast, but what's the time now? 1:33. So I'll come back and we'll see how long it took. I'll show you the plan. So I'll scroll down right now. All right, so guess what, if you buy it outright, it's gonna cost you $119 US, and you get the 10% off if you use my affiliate link. And this is one-time fee. Try for free or buy for life. All right, so the free will give you, like I said, 5 exports, I believe. So if you have the money, drop it. See here, try the app for free on your own project. The trial is limited to 5 exports, and otherwise it's identical to the full app. So you can use it for free, but only 5 times. After that, you need to purchase it. You can subscribe to the $79 a year or the annual plan, or $15 a month. So it's up to you. Let's go back to check it out. It's 1:36, which means it took just 3 minutes to edit the silences, the breaks, the gaps. All right, so now click on export complete. All right, so this is it, Canva Magic Edit without silence. So this is what you have to watch out for, without silence. All right, because you're gonna keep the same file name, including without silence. That's the good one. All right, so first of all, I'll click on it just to make sure that's the right one. In this tutorial, I'll show you. So it says, see, it's around the 9 minutes time. Now I'll close it and I'll show you the second app to use to help you edit faster. This is the second app, CapCut. So I'll go back to my file, drag it and go to CapCut and drop it. All right, so click on got it, I'm done. Let's click on the video and go right here, click on it, reverse, and then click on transcript. Right now it says free, but I'm not sure if it's gonna turn pro in future. So click on it, and what it's doing now is transcribing the audio into text, which is gonna help you edit even faster. It shouldn't take long. All right, so it's done transcribing, and this took like what, 15 seconds or something like that. Then I'll show you the first trick. So what you do, you just hover over this, see this element here, and click on it. It says remove filler words, so click on it, and right now I have 67 filler word identified. So click to remove. All right, so remember the original clip was 18 minutes and 5 seconds. CapCut reduced it to 9 minutes and 47 seconds, and now CapCut has reduced it, all right, to 8 minutes and 49 seconds. Let me enlarge it so you see all the chops. To edit this video right now, you have to play and keep checking what you don't need. All right, so I'll keep it like that. That's why I like CapCut. All right, so it's off now. So what I'll do, I'll just click on it and play. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change colors in photos using the Canva Magic Edit. So let's say I don't want all right up to here. I'll highlight, then delete. As you can tell, there should be a stop sign here, but that's okay. It doesn't stop anything. If not, you can Ctrl Z to undo, all right, then Ctrl Z again, all right, then it's back. But then again, like I said, the trick I found is that if I highlight this all the way to here, delete, all the way to here, it's gonna delete, right, then because I want to keep the alright. So let's see how it sounds like. I'll play it again using the Canva magic edit. Alright, so click on create a design and see, so this one sounds better, and that's how you edit. So I'll keep on and I'll show you another example. If you want this for YouTube, click on this. For logo, Instagram, and the list goes on. It says thumbnail and it says thumbnail. That's because the system is trying to understand. All right. But what I realize is when you try to use the captions, the caption is about 95% accurate compared to the editing software, because the caption software is another software inside CapCut. All right. So don't worry about this if you want to create captions. All right, I'll show you in a minute. All right, so let's keep going. All right, so now I need to copy and paste the image. So I'll go here, I will click on this. This is Pexels, you can use it, you see. So it's just like that. So if you don't want something, for let's say for instance from here, issues, so right click, copy. Well, it depends on what you are trying to do. And so I'll highlight because I don't want this. So for instance, if I delete this and I come back, so right click, copy. In this case, I want to use Pexels. So Control V, like that. And trust me, I used to spend hours. Sometimes I take a break, maybe days. But with this, within 1 hour, I'm done. And the 1 hour time is because after here, when I'm done, I try to add B-rolls and all kinds of fancy stuff like effects and things. That's why. Now, let's assume I'm done with the editing, which I'm not done, but just pretending to be done. I'll bring the timestamp ruler and I'll X off this and I'll go to captions, go to template. Now, if you don't have the pro version, I'll drop the link in the description box. That's my affiliate link. You can click on it and sign up. So these are pro versions. So now you need to find the free version. You see why I like using pro version? Because it's gonna take you time to find the free version, and I've realized right now almost all the caption fonts are no more free. So let's go trending and see if there's free ones. And this is what I don't like doing, sitting down and going through things to find what to use. Time is money, so it's just $13. But hey, if you are new, I understand. Let me try and find something. Right now it looks like there's no more free captions anymore. This is free, so I'll use this one because it doesn't have the pro sign, but I don't know if I'll use this in my case. Let's see. So I don't really like this one, but it's okay. For the sake of this tutorial, I'll use it. But generate caption, and this takes time. Alright, so it's done. Let's play and see. Let me just zoom it a bit. Let's play. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change colors in photos using the Canva magic edit. So this gap, just push it back, and alright, so I'll just push it in more and click on it and drag it all the way to the end. Alright, so these are mistakes you need to correct. So let's push it back and play. Alright, so click on create a design. So you see how this is too big. So to reduce the font size, just go down here and keep on clicking. Alright, click all the way to whatever. I think 5 is the least. So then you can click and select the design type that you want. Alright, I'll delete it and I'll use the pro version because the pro version is better. I saw one that looks a bit cool. So let's go trending. Alright, so let me use this one now. It's just too playful. I don't like that. So let me go back. Alright, so let's pretend I'm using this one. So I'll click on it and I'll generate caption. Alright, so like I said, this area, just click inside this box, click back, push this timer, click back and drag it all the way to the end, and you have a couple of them like that. Alright, so I'll push it back and click on. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change. Alright, I'll reduce the size and make sure it applied to all is checked. So let's go back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change colors in photos using the Canva magic edit. Alright, so you see when it says Canva, using Canva, so click here, it says comfort, so it's like that. So Canva. That's why sometimes I don't like using these things, Canva Magic Edit. It's time consuming. Alright, so click on create a design and select the design type that you want. If you want this for YouTube, click on this. For logo, Instagram, and the list goes on. But in this tutorial, YouTube thumbnail, because you see, like I said earlier on, thumbnail, this caption app inside CapCut captured the word thumbnail, but the text extractor from the audio wasn't able to do so. So it's like that. So I have to select. Alright, the best way to retain your viewers, but trust me, it's time consuming. Here, I will click on this. This is Pexels. So you see the Pexels, so click on it and double click, then Pexels. Alright, so these are some of the stuff you need to correct. It's Pexels or Pixels. Alright, keep on like this, and in no time I'll be done with it. Alright, I can reduce this caption more. In this tutorial I'll show you. Alright, so click on it and let's see if I can reduce it even further. Alright, I believe this is good. I'll keep it like this and let's see how to change colors in photos. So instead of using this, the font arrow, you can just click on it and zoom in and out manually. Now to download or export, just go up here and click export, and for SEO purposes just type the name of the video, let's say Canva, and make sure it's on MP4. If this is something you're happy with, then just click export, but in this case I'll cancel it. Alright, so this is the end of the tutorial. If you like how fast these AI tools are making magics, then please don't forget to comment and subscribe, and check the link in the description box. Recut app and CapCut AI, use it to your advantage. Thanks, and see you in my next video.